Good morning, Brickheads. This is Lego set 40824, Sweetheart Tweety Bird. Set came with 412 pieces. I had about a dozen or so bonus pieces left over. I picked up this set from the Lego.com website specifically for Valentine's Day. I thought it was pretty cute. Overall, the build was pretty good. No hiccups or issues with the build. I used the Lego Builder app when building it. The set comes with Tweety Bird sitting on a cloud holding a Cupid's arrow and a bouquet of roses. Everything about the build was fun, enjoyable, highly recommend it. It's a good little set. At a leisure pace, the entire build took about 2.5 hours. Enjoy the video, catch you at the end. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your Valentine's Day. Have a great morning. We'll catch you next time. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button.